Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Marty Motoring. Today we are headed to Arizona for the Lexus F meet, so let's head there now. And just like that, we've landed here in Phoenix. So we're gonna meet up with one of the owners of one of the ISFs and actually the person who organized this event. Of course it is dark now. I got here very early, so can't wait to see what shows up in the morning. Alright everybody, woke up here in Phoenix area. We're going to be headed to the meet shortly. We got the ISF running here, ready to go. It does have the VLANs like my car, but this is actually Britt's car. And that's actually her Instagram handle as well. So if you want to see more of this car, go check that out. So we made it to Earnhardt Lexus for the Lexus F meet here in Phoenix area, Arizona. Everybody's getting set up and this place should be full of Lexus F cars shortly. leaving Earnhardt Lexus. The meet is officially over and we're gonna cruise to the tortilla flats, so this should be fun. Just shouting out Ken Paul here at Earnhardt Lexus. He gave me this awesome hat, so check out this dealership if you're in the Phoenix, Arizona area. It's a sweet hat, and yeah, thank you, Ken. Alright, so that concludes the Lexus F meet. It was a really fun time. Really glad I got to come out. Thanks to everybody for making it happen. Thank you to Brittany and Earnhardt Lexus for having the event at their dealership. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, feel free to browse the channel and check out my other Lexus related videos. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, support the channel and more videos in the future. Check me out on Instagram at Marty Motoring. I post updates and stories and some other automotive media. And thanks for watching Marty Motoring.